With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question is, write any 3 points on maintenance of machines. So maintenance of machines we need, as we know, these machines are composed of many parts. So these parts, what happens is, these parts of the machines rub each other when they are in use. So due to these parts wear out with time, right? So these parts wear out with time. Also, the soil and dust, they create more friction between the parts, which further deteriorates their condition. So even some parts get affected by weather and thus rust and erode. So what we need to do is, for maintenance of machines, first thing is we need to add and test lubricants frequently. Second that we can do is keep the machine covered to protect it from dust and humidity. And third that we can do is, any crack should be painted to protect it from rusting. Hope you have understood the 3 points.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.